Dreaming of sunny skies, stunning beaches, and a vibrant coastal vibe? Welcome to Albufeira, Portugal's crown jewel in the Algarve region. From its picturesque coastline to its lively nightlife and rich history, this charming town has something for everyone. Stick around as we uncover the 8 best things to do in Albufeira, your ultimate guide to the perfect getaway. Number 8. Albufeira Old Town. Step back in time and experience the heart and soul of Albufeira in its enchanting Old Town. This historic area is a delightful maze of narrow cobblestone streets filled with traditional Portuguese charm. Wander past whitewashed houses, colorful tiled facades, and cozy squares where you can soak in the local culture. The Old Town is a food lover's paradise, offering everything from fresh seafood at family-run restaurants to traditional pastries at quaint bakeries. Don't miss the vibrant street performers and lively atmosphere in the main square. Perfect for people watching or grabbing a drink at one of the many outdoor terraces. For history buffs, landmarks like the Clock Tower and Igreja Matriz provide a glimpse into Albufeira's rich past. Whether you're here for the shopping, dining, or simply exploring, the Old Town is a must-visit gem that captures the essence of Albufeira. Number 7. Albufeira Marina, a hub of excitement and relaxation on Portugal's stunning Algarve coast. Known for its eye-catching pastel-colored buildings, this modern marina is a must-visit destination for travelers. Whether you're looking to embark on a thrilling adventure or enjoy a laid-back day, the marina has something for everyone. Hop aboard a boat tour to explore hidden caves, spot dolphins, or take in the dramatic cliffs of the Algarve coastline. If you're feeling adventurous, try jet skiing, parasailing, or paddleboarding. On shore, the marina is bustling with cafes, restaurants, and boutique shops, making it a great spot to grab a bite or pick up a souvenir. Families will love the kid-friendly attractions, while the vibrant nightlife draws in partygoers after sunset. With its unique charm and array of activities, Albufeira Marina promises an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. Number 6. Pineco Beach, one of Albufeira's most stunning coastal gems. Nestled at the foot of the Old Town, this beautiful beach offers a perfect blend of relaxation and convenience. Accessing Peneco Beach is an experience in itself. Take the scenic elevator or walk through the dramatic tunnel carved into the cliffs, emerging onto the soft golden sands. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by breathtaking views of the Atlantic and Albufeira's iconic cliffs. Whether you want to soak up the sun, take a refreshing dip, or enjoy a leisurely stroll along the shore, Peneco Beach has it all. Adventurers can try paddleboarding or kayaking, while food lovers can explore nearby beachside cafes for a taste of fresh seafood. As the sun sets, the beach transforms into a peaceful haven, offering stunning sunset views that you won't want to miss. Discover the magic of Peneco Beach. Number 5. The Strip, the ultimate hotspot for nightlife, dining, and non-stop fun. Stretching through the vibrant Ura area, this lively avenue is packed with bars, restaurants, and clubs, offering something for everyone. By day, the Strip is the perfect place to grab a delicious meal or a refreshing drink at one of its many cafes and eateries. From authentic Portuguese cuisine to international favorites, there's no shortage of options. As the sun sets, the Strip comes alive with energy. Bars pump out music, and the atmosphere becomes electric. Whether you're into live music, karaoke, or dancing the night away, this is the place to be. Families can also enjoy a walk along the Strip with ice cream shops and arcades to entertain kids. No visit to Albufeira is complete without experiencing the buzz and excitement of the Strip. Number 4. Visit Benagil Cave. If there's one natural wonder you can't miss in the Algarve, it's the breathtaking Benagil Cave. Located just a short distance from Albufeira, this iconic sea cave is famous for its golden sandstone arches, pristine beach, and the natural skylight that lets sunlight pour in, creating an almost magical atmosphere. Getting there is an adventure in itself. You can kayak, paddleboard, or take a boat tour to access the cave, as swimming isn't recommended due to the strong currents. Each option offers unique perspectives of the coastline and its stunning rock formations. Once inside, marvel at the way the sunlight illuminates the cave, creating a golden glow on the sand and water. It's the perfect spot for photos, but don't forget to simply take in the moment. Visiting Benagil Cave is more than a sightseeing trip. It's an unforgettable experience that truly captures the beauty of Portugal's Algarve region. Number 3. Albufeira Tunnel. The famous Albufeira Tunnel might not seem like a major landmark at first glance, but it's one of those iconic spots that everyone will insist you visit during your time in Albufeira. Known locally as Túnel da Praia, this pedestrian tunnel serves as a magical gateway connecting the vibrant old town center to the stunning Praia do Túnel, or Tunnel Beach. Walking through the tunnel is more than just a simple transition. It feels like stepping into a completely different world. On one side, you have the charming cobblestone streets, lively squares, and historic architecture of the old town. On the other side, you emerge onto a vast sandy beach, greeted by the glittering ocean and a breathtaking coastal view. The tunnel itself is short but steeped in character, with its stone walls and the sound of the ocean echoing through it. Whether you're heading to relax on the beach or returning after a seaside adventure, this tunnel offers a uniquely Albufeira experience that connects two distinct but equally beautiful aspects of the town. Number 2. Experience local food. One of the best ways to immerse yourself in the local culture is through its incredible food. This coastal town is a paradise for food lovers, offering an array of traditional Portuguese dishes and fresh seafood delights. Start your culinary journey with a visit to a local restaurant or taverna. Don't miss trying the famous cataplana, a seafood stew cooked in a unique copper pot. Or indulge in grilled sardines, a simple yet flavorful dish that locals love. For a sweet treat, savor a pastel de nata, a creamy custard tart that pairs perfectly with a rich Portuguese espresso. Take time to explore the local markets, where you'll find fresh ingredients and snacks like pão com chorizo, bread with chorizo, and regional cheeses. From seaside eateries to cozy taverns, experiencing the local food of Albufeira will leave your taste buds and your heart completely satisfied. Number 1. Estrada de Santa Eulalia. If you're looking for a quieter alternative to the bustling strip, or perhaps want to explore a different part of Albufeira, head over to Estrada de Santa Eulalia. Located just about a 10-minute walk east of the strip, this charming street is often referred to by locals as the Restaurant Street. Here you'll find an impressive selection of restaurants and cafes, offering everything from traditional Portuguese dishes to Italian, Mexican, and Indian cuisine. It's a fantastic place to enjoy a meal without the crowds and noise of the strip, and many places offer a better price-to-quality ratio, making it a great option for those on a budget or looking for a more relaxed atmosphere. What's great about Estrada de Santa Eulalia is that it stays lively year-round. So whether you're visiting during peak season or the quieter months, you'll always find plenty of dining options open in both the new town and this vibrant area.